Meet Bob. Every other neighborhood has to have a Bob. The real question is, do you think these guys like solicitors? We call these people hoarders. Don't be afraid though. Hello? So on the gates, I like to stand back. It's far.
What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Deaf?
Hello?
What can I do for you?
Hey, I wanted to add something to your collection. It's right here.
Collection of what?
All these signs. This sign, we got another one to add to your sign.
What is it?
It's a no soliciting sign. We're with the no soliciting guys. We're just helping protect the neighborhood from all the door-to-door guys that come out, because you don't like the door-to-door guys, do you?
The who?
The door-to-door solicitor people.
They don't bother me.
Oh, well, you've got all these cool signs. So we just wanted to add to your collection. We actually do the no soliciting signs. So you know how you have like no trespassing, the Rottweiler, the dog, the powwow, the never forgotten? Our job, we're trying to get everybody out here so that we can get the whole neighborhood the no soliciting signs.
You charging for them?
Well, it's basically, we give them away, but we do ask for a donation just because it's going towards a good cause. Basically,
let me go check my billfold and see if I got any cash.
Yeah, that would be awesome. I said, we don't charge anything, but we do it on donation. So we'll see if I can get 15 out of the donation. Bitchin' Bob to friendly Bob. I love you, man. Enjoy. Thank you so much. We really do appreciate you. No, I should put the things you get on camera. Most people would have looked at that house and been like, hell no. I take a different approach at that house. Screen door, multiple things, looks like he has no money. He pulls out $100 bills cash. We precondition ourselves to assume that nice house is gonna buy, where that person might be the dick, and it's the junky house on the corner that has the hoarder that ends up probably being a great customer. So never judge a book by its cover. You can always make some comments and things, but your self-talk and story might be the one sabotaging that deal.